Let's see how to connect external tools to your agent using Composio in Arkus. To use integrations like Gmail, Google Docs, and others, you first need to connect to your Composio account. If you don't have an account, you can go to the Composio website and sign up. Once your account is ready, navigate to the Settings API Key section. Here, you can copy the default API key generated by Composio or create a new one. In this example, we will create a new one. Set a name and then click Create. Now copy the API key. Go back to Arkus and paste your API key in the Composio API key field. You can use the same API for all components. Now we will connect the accounts and grant access. Click the attention icon and choose the account you want to connect. Agree with the terms, agree with the permissions, and wait for the success message. Back to Arkus, you will see the green sign. Repeat the same process to other components. Once all the connections are complete, the tools will be available for your agent to use. From health ideas to AI agents in minutes, not months. Start today to build your AI with Arkus.